Here, I have an Amazon Echo Dot 3rd edition, and then here is Google Voice. This is what I use for my texting service. So I'm going to place an order through Alexa, and then I'm going to receive a text message via Google Voice. When we place an order, a text is sent to the customer, which I am acting as now, and also a text is sent to the dry cleaner, either to a phone number or directly to a POS system. So I'm going to unmute Alexa now. Alexa, launch My Dry Cleaner.
Welcome to my cleaner. What is your first name?
Bob.
Thanks, Bob. Would you like to place a pickup or delivery order?
Pickup.
Can my cleaner access your location?
No.
Okay, then say your address now.
123 Main Street in Boston.
What is your phone number so we can send you a verification of your order?
440-941-1778.
Thanks, Bob. We will pick up your dry cleaning at 123 Main Street in Boston and contact you at 440-941-1778 when it is ready. Did I get all of your information correct?
Yes.
Do you have any special notes you would like to add to your order?
No, thank you.
Okay, your order is confirmed. Thanks for ordering with my cleaner.
Now that
Here's
just came
a dry
in.
cleaning tip for you. The most important thing to do with your garments is to clean them before you store them. Moths are attracted to food or stains left on clothing. They are also attached to body oils and certain fibers like wool and silk. Be sure to clean your garments before you store them in a moth-proof bag.
Now, after every interaction, it does give a tip. We can either enable or disable that if you think that it is making the interaction too long, but a lot of dry cleaners like that because it adds another benefit for the customer using the app.